Okay, it's October 15. It's about 6:30 p.m. I'm just finishing, trying to be quiet for the neighbors, otherwise I'd keep going. We got our trusses installed today. Took a little longer than normal since it was just me and Frankie, and it's Frankie's first time doing any kind of truss related thing. These are trusses that are going to be used for the top of the truck port. I just laid them in here. The rest of the trusses that I went to pick up yesterday, they're actually in the workshop. So I'm turning. So this is a better view. You can see the tracks right here for where the crane actually parked. And it turns out that the truck that actually hauled these truly was a large, like F-350 pickup truck with a really nice rack on top. So the trusses are put up. All the bottom dimensions are now confirmed and adjusted. I have some shear panels that need to be installed. My truss layout isn't exactly the way that it needed to be. There are some dimensional issues, so I am still working out some of those. So you can see some of the blocking's not done. On the left there's no blocking. On the right there are two shorter panel, or one shorter panel, and that's a little wider than 2 feet, but since I'm using 5/8 tongue and groove plywood on the roof, greater than 2 feet isn't a problem. So it's looking good. That's the beginning. The roof that goes on top of the garage, I'm stick framing. I think I mentioned this already. I have to first build the platform, the actual upper floor for the loft first. But tomorrow I'm actually going to be working on getting all my trusses straight, and I installed some clips so it feels pretty firm already. That's it.